This is test number 6. I'm explaining some SAT problem from test number 6. Okay, number 23. As a part of an experiment, a ball was dropped and allowed to bounce repeatedly off the ground until it came to rest. The graph above represents the relationship between the time elapsed after the ball was dropped and the height of the ball above the ground. After it was dropped, how many times was the ball at a height of 2 feet? So after it is dropped, after it was dropped means from the starting here, it dropped here. After it dropped, how many times was it the ball at a height of 2 feet? Which height of 2 feet is here. And see how many intersecting at the height of 2 with the ball. Then I can say here, and then I can say here, I can say here. There's a 3 times, so 3. And then another problem here will be some value of a linear function. They says it's a linear function. That means I can find the equation of linear function f by using 2 points. So if I just took 2 points here, because they're asking for the value of f3, when x equal to 3, what is y value? But they didn't give you. So if I can find the equation of linear function of f, then I can find out what is f3. And find the slope first. Slope formula will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And I pick 2 points as 0, -2, and 2, 4. And if I try to find the difference of y, which is 4 minus -2 over 2 minus 0, which means 6 over 2, that become a 3 as a slope, and y equal to 3x plus b. I can choose, I know that 0, -2 represent y-intercept, so b value is already -2, but just to make sure the students, they don't know how to find the b, then I will plug the points in. So x as 0, y as -2. -2 equal to 3 times of 0 plus b. And -2 equal to 0 plus b, b equal to -2. So y-intercept, b value is -2. So I can find the equation as y equal to 3x minus 2. I found the total equation, which is y, I can rewrite as fx equal to 3x minus 2. And they want to know what is a f3, which means you plug it in 3 for x and find the y value. So f3 equal to 3 times 3 minus 2. 9 minus 2, which makes 7.